Yo, what's up guys, BNVLNT. Today I'm showing y'all how to sound like Slayr in this new Avant Nova EP.
Run this whole back, run this whole back. Swing out my ties, I want nothing to do with that. She got 5 eyes, she see me, she jump on that. Yeah, got in my pride, that boy gave fish to let.
Now, if you ain't heard this EP yet, you definitely got to go give it a listen. The whole EP is crazy. There's some underscore samples in there. It's just really cool sounding. And if y'all don't know who Slayr is yet, I don't know where y'all been. I already recorded 2 videos on him before. We've done a Half Blood preset, a Blood Lux preset, and now we got an Avant Nova preset. Slayr has just been making waves in the underground lately, so I had to go back and make another one for this new one. And we got a bunch of new ad-lib presets in here, so it's gonna be a fun one. Now that all that's out of the way, let's get into this song. If you haven't heard this yet, this is Nova by Slayr.
Run this whole back, run this whole back. Swing out my ties, I want nothing to do with that. She got fried eyes, she see me, she jump on that. Yeah, got a mud fried, that boy gang of fish fillet.
Okay, now that you guys have heard that song, let's hop into FL and I'm gonna show you guys my raw vocals trying to sound like Slayr. This is probably not gonna be good, especially not with these ad-libs, but yeah, here we go.
Run this whole back, run this whole back. Swing out my ties, I want nothing to do with that. She got 5 eyes, she see me, she jump on that. Yeah, got in my pride, that boy gave fish to let. Yeah.
Those raw vocals are rough. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on all these presets and show you guys what these Slayr presets sound like.
Run this whole back, run this whole back. Swing out my ties, I want nothing to do with that. She got 5 eyes, she see me, she jump on that. Yeah, got in my pride, that boy gave fish to let. Yeah, popping outside, talk too much, he on the cop side. I can't tell back, so I tell the cop side. She want hop in, and yeah, hop in my ride.
So yeah, that's what my Slayr presets sound like. And yeah, for this we got a main, a reverb bus, left ad-lib, right ad-lib, a panning ad-lib, and then some background vocals left and right as well down here. Yeah, there's nothing too crazy, but I will show you the sidechain for the main. You want it to still be sent to the master, but you want it to also be sent to this reverb bus. And you also want to make sure the sidechain compression is set up. If you download these presets and you connect it for the first time, it will be blank here. You have to turn that up to 1, and that will set up the sidechain compression so the reverb's actually ducking when your main vocal comes in. So now I'm gonna show you guys the auto-tune settings real quick. So this song was in the key of B major, and for the main I use a retune speed of 0 and a humanize of 4. I use the same auto-tune for the entire song, so every single ad-lib has a retune speed of 0 and a humanize of 4. These presets will be completely free in my Discord server. The only preset here that isn't free is this master preset, which for this video I did use my best waves master preset, which is $10 on my website, BNVLNT.shop. If you'd rather get this entire FLP that comes with everything you see on your screen, as well as a template ready to record in with all of these presets set up for you, as well as my best waves master preset and my best stock master preset for those of you guys that don't have waves plugins, all of that will be just $15, and it'll be linked in the description if you're interested. Again, I do just want to say thank you to everyone who's buying anything off of my website. You guys are actually changing my life, and you're changing Lilith's life. But everybody that's out there buying Lilith's products or our UGFX plugin, Lilith is now making a living off of this, and I have an editor now who eventually, hopefully, I'll be able to pay him enough to live off this. And yeah, I just wanted to say thank you guys for all of the support. It genuinely means the world to me. I'm so excited to keep making videos for you guys and keep making these free presets. Enough with the yapping. You guys probably want to know where to get the free presets. So to get these presets, all you got to do is go to the Discord linked in the description. Scroll down here to where it says #BNVLNT presets, and then you'll see the presets right here. And if you scroll up, there's hundreds of free presets in here. So go get some free presets and make some good music. The last thing I'm gonna show you guys real quick is how to actually record with these presets, because some of you guys are new to making music and you might not know how to use a preset. So all you have to do is drag in the presets you download from my Discord, and then once you have them dragged in like this, obviously set up this reverb bus like I showed you in the beginning of the video, and then once that's set up, everything else is already set up for you. One thing that might not be set up is the auto-tune, which is why I showed the auto-tune settings. Sometimes it doesn't load properly. Also, when you load in the auto-tune, click on the setting, make sure use low latency is turned on, because otherwise you'll have latency when you record and you don't want that. Also, another thing, if you have an interface, you want to make sure that this is set to whatever your interface is. and you never want to use FL Studio ASIO. If you guys are using a USB mic, you want to use something like ASIO for all or Flex ASIO so that you can actually get low latency when you record, and you want to set your buffer length somewhere between 96 and 128. So what you want to do is you just want to click on this main, click right here and click on your input, and now you guys should be able to hear me inside of FL, and all you have to do is press this little record button and then just press the space bar.
Run this whole back, run this whole back. Swing out my ties, I want nothing to do with that.
I'm recording a little bit louder than I should. If you have an interface, make sure you turn down your audio a little bit. For this song, I recorded at about 55% input gain. And if you guys have a USB mic, you want to go to your sound settings and then go to your microphone and then turn this volume down like this, which will turn your input down. I would go about like 55 or 60, and that's only if you're using a USB mic. Don't do that if you have an interface. Yeah, I think that's all I got for this video. If it did help you out at all, please leave a like, comment which artist you want to see next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.